What?
The Stitch notebook?
Yeah, I know, I saw it. I didn't want to say anything.
Bro.
Don't call me bro.
Guys, welcome back to another channel. So today we're going to back to school shopping, and I am about to go back to school to 4th grade. What? And I found this scissor.
Alright, so we're gonna find some school supplies, and I'm gonna let her do what she needs and also the stuff that I know she needs. We need 4 sticks of Emerald Groove. That's 3 sticks. You got the wrong one. We need 4 sticks of Elmer's glue. I said glue. So we're looking for a 4-pack. That is a 4-pack. Let's see.
It is number.
So she found that one. Put it in the cart. Put it in the cart. So we need 1 box of crowns and 1 box of markers. Oh yeah. So she got 1 box of markers. Now she needs 1 box of crowns. 24 count. Okay. The 24 count. Just 1 box. Now we need 3 pink erasers.
3 pink.
Hurry, hurry, 3 pink erasers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The pink erasers, I need a 3-pack. A 3-pack. You gotta find a 3-pack. 5, 4. You gotta look everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is right there. 7, 8, 9. 10. You heard me. And put it in the cart. So you need 4 composition notebooks. Right here. 4 composition books. I would say go with the regular ones because that's probably what they're gonna want. So they have the purple, they have blue, they have yellow. No. You need 4. Hurry, 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 hurry.
3, 6, 9.
Hurry. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Guys, she dropped it. Come on, 1 more. Look, the red one. Right there. We need Kleenex.
Mom.
Kleenex is right there.
Mom. Obviously, I have to get the big one.
Put it in the cart. So now you need a 4-color Expo dry erase markers. So look for 4 colors in 1 pack. Yep. And then now you need a 4 all black pack. Yep. There you go. You put it in the cart. Okay, you need 2 packs of 24 pencils. 2 packs of 24 pencils. Yep.
Good job, me.
I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to get another pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It took you that long. Are you kidding me?
Because it was stuck.
I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. You need to look for 4 folders with brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors. 4 different colors. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, she took so long. They're right here. Oh, that's not even it. Here are they. We need 1 more. We got 3. We need 4. So we're gonna see what else we find. What? What? What is it? What is it? What? Oh gosh, she wants a Stitch water. She already got one. And she wants one.
It's Barbie though. I don't
Comment
like
down
Barbie.
below, guys, if we should get this for her. Comment down below. If you say yes, we will. If you say no, we won't. Say no, guys. Say no.
Say yes.
I can find your pencil pouch. We should get her a Crocs since she's always wearing Crocs. Oh, that's me. A Croc pencil bag. You'll be the coolest kid in school.